Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best juicers on the market, the Breville 800JEXL Juice Fountain Elite. If you're serious about juicing and want professional level performance right in your kitchen, this might just be the perfect choice for you. The Breville Juice Fountain Elite is powered by a robust 1000-watt motor that spins at an impressive 13,000 RPM. This high-speed motor allows the juicer to extract up to 30% more juice compared to traditional juicers, making your fruits and vegetables go further. The result is a glass of juice that's not only fresh but packed with nutrients and bursting with flavor. What sets this juicer apart is its unique extraction system. It features a titanium-reinforced disc paired with an Italian-made micro-mesh filter basket, both crafted from stainless steel. This powerful combination is designed to maximize juice yield while ensuring smooth, delicious results with minimal pulp or foam. One of the standout features of the Breville 800JEXL is its extra-wide 3-inch chute. This means you can feed whole fruits and vegetables into the machine without the hassle of pre-cutting them into smaller pieces. This saves time during prep and makes juicing quick and effortless. The machine comes with generously sized containers, a 35.2 fluid-ounce juice jug equipped with a froth separator to give you clean juice, and a 3.2-quart pulp container that holds a substantial amount of leftover pulp so you can juice large batches without interruption. Convenience is key with the Juice Fountain Elite. It has a built-in cord wrap for neat storage, and the pulp container is detachable, making cleanup and storage even easier. The juicer also offers 2 speed controls, a low speed for softer fruits and leafy greens, and a high speed for denser, harder produce. This versatility ensures optimal extraction no matter what you're juicing. When it comes to cleaning, the Breville 800JEXL doesn't disappoint. Its juicer cover, stainless steel filter bowl, puree disc, and juice jug are all dishwasher safe, so maintaining this powerful machine is hassle-free. In terms of design, the brushed stainless steel finish gives it a sleek and modern look that fits well in any kitchen setting. Despite its power, the juicer is fairly compact, measuring 13.1 inches deep, 12 inches wide, and 10.6 inches high, and weighing just over 10 pounds. It's important to note that this model is designed for 120-volt outlets, which is standard in the United States, so if you're considering this juicer outside the US, you might need a voltage converter. To sum it up, the Breville Juice Fountain Elite 800JEXL combines powerful performance, thoughtful design, and convenient features. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced juicer, this machine delivers high-quality juice with minimal effort, making it a fantastic investment for anyone committed to a healthier lifestyle. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this overview helpful, be sure to subscribe for more honest reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.